Okay, I'm in Wyoming. Oh shoot, no, I forgot. The Rock Springs, Wyoming. So I'm next to the Union Pacific Railroad. This little overpass. It says Union Pacific on it. Mile away. Checking out a steam engine 4014 Big Boy is here. But as long as I'm here, I figured I'd do some sightseeing. So you notice on this first track here, all these yellow vehicles. These are all MOW vehicles, maintenance of way vehicles. It's cool fun. Obviously not doing it. It's kind of neat. China cat. Looks like that's the kind that actually picks up the cross ties and puts them in, removes them. Not sure. It'd be definitely fun to watch this thing work.